Welcome to the Thru-Wall Thimble installation guide. To install the Thermo Thimble, you will simply need a drill with a hole saw drill bit and construction-grade adhesive. The Thermo Thimble is designed to clean up exterior wall penetrations as well as create a weather-tight seal when running line sets, piping, and wiring through a wall. When disassembling the thimble, you'll notice that there is an inner tube and an outer tube. The wider piece, or outer tube, should be installed on the exterior. Place construction adhesive around the edge of the flange of the outer tube and then insert the thimble into the hole and hold it in place to set the adhesive. Next, install the inner tube through the interior part of the wall to interlock the thimble. Construction adhesive is not necessary on the inside flange. After installing the line set or pipe through the thimble, remove the knockouts in the foam gaskets for the desired size. Placing the gasket flush with the outer edges of the tubes will create a weather-tight seal on both ends and keep out bugs and pests. Subscribe to our channel for more installation guides and new product releases.